So in here, I'm going to paint the floors because they're really nice floorboards. But look over there, that piece of cement. It's going to ruin my floor. Once I paint it, it'll be obvious that that used to be a little fireplace over there. So what I'm going to do, because I want to do this job as quickly as possible without spending ages and ages trying to find some floorboards, digging at that concrete, blah, 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 blah. So what I'm going to use is it's actually my wall chaser, but it's also an angle grinder. And I'm going to use that, and I'm just literally going to chase through, follow the lines of the floorboards and make grooves in the concrete. And then once it's painted, it'll pretty much look like the floorboards, because I will put some other little bits of filler on there so it's got similar texture. But for me, that's going to be an awful lot quicker than digging out that concrete, finding floorboards, blah, blah, blah. Literally just chase through, vroom, 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 make some little grooves, paint over it, and it will look like floorboards. Because like I keep telling you, this job is only about an 8 out of 10 grader finish. So we're trying to get a super duper result in the quickest amount of time possible. So that's how I'm going to do it in here. Nice little cheat. But only if you have an angle grinder. Because trying to do that without an angle grinder, trying to make some little grooves over there, without an angle grinder, really difficult. Catch you in the next video. Bye.